Little Five Points is a district on the east side of Atlanta, Georgia. It's about 2.5 miles east of downtown. It was created as a commercial district for the adjacent Inman Park and Candler Point neighborhoods. It has since become famous for the alternative culture it brings to Atlanta. It's often described as Atlanta's version of Haight-Ashbury, a melting pot of subculture and the bohemian center of the southern United States. The name Little Five Points is a reference to Five Points, which is the center of downtown Atlanta. Little Five Points refers to the intersections at the center of the neighborhood. 2 points from Moreland Avenue, 2 from Euclid Avenue, and the 5th being the former Seminole Avenue. Seminole Avenue no longer exists, which leads some people to say that the 5th point is now McClendon Avenue. Little Five Points is host to Atlanta's largest Halloween festival each year on the Saturday before Halloween, and it's home to some of Atlanta's most famous eateries like Hattie B's Hot Chicken, Vortex Bar and Grill, and Fox Brothers Barbecue. After a long day of urban exploring, we found ourselves walking through Little Five Points, checking out the secondhand stores like Rag-A-Rama and the Clothing Warehouse, also Psycho Sisters. Before grabbing dinner at Fox Brothers Barbecue, we had an awesome day, and we hope you enjoy our trip to Little Five Points. If you'd like to see more like this, go ahead and subscribe. If you know someone who might like this video, go ahead and share it with them. Also, don't forget to turn on those notifications so you'll be informed each time we post a new video. Thanks for watching.